Hi, this is the second part of the video in which I described a turntable that I designed and built to cure my prints. For the final assembly of the turntable, we'll need the body with legs which I have painted recently, the painted rotary head to support the table, the motor, a lead and a 5-volt power source. I also tested the device with a 3.7-volt 900 mAh rechargeable battery. 10 hours was too long a time to wait, so I stopped the test. To use such battery you'll need a suitable charger. This disc will be used to support printed models. For easy painting you can use a pen. Just rotate it while spraying the paint. And of course use a glove to protect your skin during application of paint. Paint the rotary head in the same way. Let's make our worktop tidy and remove this giant device from it. But first we'll measure the supply voltage. This is a stick of plastic used in glue guns. I will use a small amount of plastic to protect the motor lead right between the legs. Now just give me a second to solder the lead to the motor terminals. I'll use shrinking tube for additional protection. Make sure use wires with soft and flexible shield. I usually don't like to overstress resin, but for this Nova 3D resin it was a test. The downloadable STL file of the body has a slight allowance to avoid the too tight fit. Happily this resin passed the test, so I'll use it in models where I need strength. I had to remove the motor before painting, so now I'll have to reinsert it. And here is another test for the resin. This time I used a different method with a hole in a piece of wood. Okay, nothing is broken and everything is intact. If for any reason you need to remove the motor from the body, just hit it on the back. We are almost there. Let's just secure the lead. I melted these pieces using the hot gun of my soldering station. Its minimum temperature is 100 centigrade. I was careful not to overheat the printed parts. And the pre-final step. Attach the rotary head to the motor shaft. Just align the flats and there you go. Well, everything's is almost ready for the flight. Let's just glue this guy into place. Be extremely careful with the glue. Don't forget to close the cap of the glue bottle as soon as you finish gluing the disc. Now, a countdown of 15 minutes. Then, start the engine. So it would be a positive shame not to mention the main component I used. Also, I bought some green resin from these people but didn't test it yet. The label on the bottle looked a bit dirty, but it wasn't resin there for sure. I'll have to design something green to try it. Thanks for watching.